Hi guys! For my interesting introductions, I decided to make a storyboard. This is a great activity to help make an icebreaker for students in your classroom to build community and get to know each other a little bit better. So it allows them to be creative as well as share a little bit about who they are. The criteria I would give them is name a few events in their life or activities that they like to do, and just to either choose the main character to be themselves or choose a different name for the main character, but the storyline would be about them. I'm going to read you the one that I created, and here it goes. The story of a pretty special fox. This is Reese. She's not your average fox. In fact, she's a bit more of an adrenaline junkie. She's always ready for the next adventure, whether it's skydiving or vacationing by the sea. She's very creative and enjoys doing DIY projects with her husband, 3-year-old son, and 4-month-old daughter. Reese always knew she was going to make a difference in this world, so she decided to become a special education teacher. She loves what she does, as it keeps her thinking outside the box, and hopes to inspire others to make a difference as well. This is just a fun way to help make an icebreaker for your students when they're doing their introductions, and I think it'll help students to remember each other a little better, because then they'll have that visual graphic, whether it's a character or a picture, as the story was read to them. All right.